Oh my God, where's Daddy?
I don't know.
Oh my God, I got goosebumps.
Papa, come here, hurry.
Tell Jody and them.
What is that? What is that?
Hurry.
Hurry! Hurry!
What is that?
Fireplace? Maybe just a bunch of fireplace stuck down. It's not. Look, you're like going.
Are they lanterns?
No. That is something that.
What is that? Aliens?
Oh my gosh, I got goosebumps.
Yeah, I do too.
I rebuke that in the name of Jesus.
That's right.
Well, boy, you don't know what it is.
Maybe it's something nice.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Our neighbors are outside too, want to know what it is.
What is that? Don't worry, I'm the alpha.
Hey, can you guys look at the sky? There's like stars or something. Look at the sky right now.
for sure the scientific explanation.
Oh, this is definitely going to be on the news.
It's moving.
Yeah, now it's dissipating. It's going away.
Yeah, but they're.
The meteors? Jody said she thinks they're meteors.
Those are not
Those are not
meteors.
meteors.
No, they're not.
Jody, those are not meteors.
Those are not meteors. They
Check
were
that out.
closer. They're leaving.
Where? They're like,
right over there.
oh!
No, they were closer. Now they're farther away. There's like tons of them.
Jody,
What?
in the end times there will be signs in the heavens.
I'm on Christian TikTok.
I think I know what they are. I think they're angels.
In the next 2 years.
Yeah.
Wait, I know what they
They'll be
are.
signs
I
in
know what they are.
They're gone. They're still there,
Still there.
but they're farther away.
Tony, I'm scared.
It's okay, baby.
Don't
Yeah.
worry, it's angels.
What is that?
Oh
It's
no.
angels.
That is. Yeah, those are meteors, though.